Hello, Snippet IT fam. If you're experiencing monitor madness, we have a few steps you can follow that might help fix the issue. First, start by checking the power connection. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into the monitor and the wall outlet. Obvious but effective. I've seen this stump people many times. If the outlet seems faulty, try plugging something else in, like a lamp, to see if it works. You might need an electrician. Look, power button check. Ensure that the monitor is turned on. Look for a power button, which is usually located on the front or bottom of the monitor. If it is on but there's still no display, inspect the display cable that connects your monitor to your computer. Confirm it's tightly connected at both ends. If the cable looks damaged, try swapping it out for another one, like HDMI or VGA. Narrowing down a device issue. You can test the monitor with a different device, like another laptop or computer. If it works with the new device, the problem might be with your original computer rather than the monitor itself. If the monitor is detected but the display still isn't showing anything, check your computer's display settings to ensure the monitor is set up correctly. Brightness and contrast. Sometimes the screen might just be too dim to see anything. Use the monitor's buttons or menu rockers to switch to different profiles, like movie or FPS, or manually adjust individual settings. It's a good idea to look for any visible damage, like cracks or water spots on the screen or around the ports. This can greatly affect the visual fidelity of the monitor if something is wrong. Maybe it's your device. If you suspect the problem could be related to your device, consider updating your graphics drivers, especially if you're experiencing a black screen. Additionally, if the monitor turns off unexpectedly, it might be overheating. Leave it off for 5 minutes or so to cool down. This may help. Monitor menu. If none of these steps seem to work, you could try resetting the monitor to its factory settings, which is often found in the settings menu of the monitor itself. Finally, if all else fails and the monitor is still not functioning, here is where Snippet IT encourages you to exercise your consumer rights, warranty, or any other lawful powers to get you a working replacement. This video wasn't helpful in any way. I can only apologize. Hopefully, you can leave a comment in the comment section and the Snippet IT community will be able to help out. See you in the next one.